Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a client management system in Wix Studio, step by step. If you want to manage client information, track appointments, collect inquiries, share files, and provide a professional client experience directly through your website, Wix Studio offers several tools that can help you build an effective client management system. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix Studio account and open the website where you want to create your client management system. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure your website is published and ready for client interactions. Next, go to the Apps section and open the App Market. Search for Wix Studio Members area and install it on your website. This feature allows clients to create accounts, log in securely, and access personalized content. After that, consider installing Wix Studio Bookings if you need clients to schedule consultations, meetings, or services directly from your website. This makes it easier to manage appointments and client communications in one place. Now, create dedicated client pages that are accessible only to logged-in members. You can use these pages to share project updates, important documents, resources, invoices, or other information specific to each client. To collect client information, add custom forms to your website. Include fields for names, contact details, project requirements, and other information you need to manage your clients effectively. All submissions can be viewed and managed through your Wix Studio dashboard.